this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook your potato peelings in the air fryer with some easy seasonings and some extra virgin olive oil. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to RecipeThis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. If you've not done them before, what you can do is you can collect up your potato peelings in a bowl and then save them to be able to air fry them. We've been doing a challenge this week on Recipe This, where we've been showing you how to shop local and make the best use out of a meat box alongside a veggie box. And these are the peelings from our veggie box that we've used in quite a few different recipes, including a steak and chips recipe, and it's just great to collect them up and then save them for cooking in the air fryer. So what you'll need is obviously your potato peelings, some extra virgin olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and it's totally up to you what dried seasonings you use. We're going with some mixed herbs, which you can of course swap these for some bouquet garni, Italian herbs, or any other mixture. You can also swap these for something like Cajun seasoning, taco mix, whatever you want. And then if you want to aim for about a tablespoon of those in your bowl as well. And then it's time to get your hands in and get everything mixed up. You want a good coating on your potato peelings. And then once you're done, you can have a look at your peelings, and if you've got particularly gone with a herb that's bright coloured such as Cajun or maybe mixed herbs, you'll be able to see a good coating on the potato skins of the seasoning. And then once you've done that, give your hands a wash, and then we can start loading them into the air fryer. Air fryer basket, and then you just want to load them all in. And then make sure they're all spread out, and now they are ready for air frying. So air fryer on, and we're going to start with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and then see how they're doing. And we've beeped. So let's check on our potato peelings, shall we? Oh wow, these are coming along already. I love the crisp on the edge of that one. But of course I want them crispier. So, shake that air fryer basket. Good olive oil spray. We want that crisp, don't we? And then back on. let's increase the temperature to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and the cook time to 6 minutes, and then we can check on the level of crispiness we've got. Cute. So let's check on those peelings, shall we? Oh wow, they really are starting to crisp now. Just having a feel. The thinner they are, obviously the better, but because I've got quite a few in here, I'm actually going to put them on for a bit longer. But if I was just peeling one potato, they'd be very much done by now. So I'm actually going to put a little more spray on. And then I can put them back on a little longer. Right, I'm going to go with another 6 minutes again. Again at 200, because I want that crisp. And then press start. So let's check on these peelings now, shall we? Oh, now we're talking. Have a look at some of these. Oh, wow. So, if you hadn't gathered here, the secret is the thinner they are, the better. But I absolutely suck at peeling potatoes, I really do. So mine are quite chunky. My mum even said to me, I'm not kidding here, when I was about 15, she said my peeling skills were so terrible that she wouldn't be seen dead in the kitchen with me again, and I better marry a chef. So I married the chef. And he does most of my peelings for me. But yes, these look absolutely brilliant. And like I said, the thinner ones, oh wow, look at that for a thin bit of crispiness. I just can't wait for them to cool down a bit so that I can find some dip to dip them in and tuck in. So now I'm going to put some onto a plate and then I can try them. The crispier bits, the better. Like I say, if your bits are a bit thicker, then what you can do is you can give these bits a bit longer, or you can use an actual peeler and then that'll make them much thinner. Like that bit looks absolutely perfect. And then once you've done that, these, I love these pack of 4 dips and they're just perfect for this kind of snack. So you can get some sauce going in the middle there. Let's add some of that one as well. And then these are perfect for dunking in. So as you can see, that's what they look like now. Let's see if they really do live up to the reputation of being like crisps. The crisp on that is absolutely amazing. And like I said, this is part of my weekly greengroceries box. I'm using the peelings from the potatoes that came with that, and it's just brilliant for a cheap snack. And next time, don't throw away your potato peelings. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.